Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Even number.
What does the dictionary say?
A number that can be divided exactly in two.
Math rap.
This works for numbers or integers in action. This can never be done with any kind of fraction. It's a number that can be divided exactly into or any digit that has a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at end view.
Math rap.
Explain even numbers in your own words. How many even numbers are found in your birth year, month, and day? Do you find it odd that adding two odd numbers makes things even? What is your fave number? Is it even or odd? Circle all the even numbers found below. 3, 4, 9, 12, 25, 56, 13, minus 3, 0, minus 562, 52, 14, 34, 1. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!